Fine, you can come as close you like. Whatever, this is the last time. Huh? Jesus, serious. Five seconds. Die. And finish it off. Jesus, this is serious. Stock bomb. So you finally show yourselves. Stop King? Serious? That our confound? We don't know pioneering sound. So let them to do the next one. It should fuck you. You can stop this one. Oh, you're sounding awfully cocky. We're not cocky, we're confident. Come FB. You know, something I imagined that they never do it. That David never happened. But it doesn't matter. Because with this, it's over. KJ's Tune Series. Only minutes at the Fox Rocks. Surprise! What? It looked wild. I can finally get you a gift.